Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from Threadbeast. Oh yes, I can't wait to see what's inside. Stay tuned.
Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, and welcome back, man. So I got my box right here. You know, I got my Threadbeast box, man. And yeah, got my trusty box cutter. So, you know, peel back game, we're gonna go ahead and slice it on down the middle. Then we're gonna go ahead and peel it back, man. So yeah, I've been really, ooh, okay. Oh yeah, I see we got some stuff. I can work with this already, man. But yeah, I've been waiting to make this video because the rain, like the weather has been crazy. Like it's not supposed to be rainy, but it's been raining like every day for the past couple weeks. And I'm just ready to get my spring type of fits on, man. I'm trying to get my spring / summer fits cracking. And the weather wasn't really messing with me, but we got this box and let's see what we got, man. We're gonna start off right here. We got we got 3 of the Threadbeast stickers right here, man. So big shout out for the 3-piece. Usually I only get 2. And let's get it started. We got stance socks, and you can never go wrong with socks. You know, if you've seen my other videos, I just did a review on the Nike Essential Pack socks, and I actually have another video coming up on how to store your socks. So that's just a little tidbit, you feel me? But yeah, these are very nice stance socks. We got that black, and these usually run about $12 or $13 a pair. You got that black and charcoal right here. Let me put those to the side. And you know, everything in this video, shirts, you know, sweaters, whatever it is, I will be putting it on, man. So make sure you stay tuned for the own body portion of the video. Right here, we do have a shirt. We have a shirt from Staple. Very nice. We got that crew neck tee. And this looks like a peach color, nice peach color right here. Staple in white. You can't go wrong with something that's clean, man. I'll take clean every day of the week. And right here, I do have the shirt on, matched it up with those Nike woven shorts, man. Definitely a good look. Definitely something I could see myself wearing during the spring. Got the white forces with the white socks. You already know that's a clean vibe, and we're talking about a clean outfit right here. Hat from Hat Club. Oh yeah, you see the bottom. Come on, man. We put it on. We do not play around with it, man. But yeah, definitely a clean fit. Can't wait to rock this joint, man. The weather has to start cooperating a little bit more with your boy. And next up, we do have a hoodie right here. We have a hoodie right here. And this is kind of giving me that, you know, those Chicago Bulls type of a vibe right here. You feel me? It does say Chinatown on the front. We got the 3 bears. And yeah, this is definitely giving me Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan style of a vibe right here, man. So like I said, it's been raining, and I'm glad they included a hoodie. So, you know, I can definitely put that on and show you what I would rock with this. And next in the box, we got a pair of jeans. Oh yes, I like the way these are looking right here. We got a pair of jeans, and these are from PacSun. So we got the PacSun joints right here. This is a slim taper fit in like a light gray, kind of a light gray wash. You know, we got some distressing right here on the sides. We got some distressing, looks good. Definitely my speed when it comes to jeans, man. Actually, we get the distressing on both legs right here. So we got it on the right and the left. On the back, we do have our 2 pockets right here, and it does say that this is a slim taper fit right here, man. And you already know I've been messing with Threadbeast for a minute, and I was actually able to secure a coupon code for you guys for the peel back gang, you feel me? Because every time I would look, the coupon codes be like $10 off, but I was able to email them and get a coupon code for you guys. $25 off your first order, you feel me? So if you get like the essential or premium box, you can get $25 off, man. And I'll go ahead and put the code right there. So you use that, get the 25 off. And like I said, if you like what you see, you can't go wrong. Now, I can't say that you're gonna get the exact same pieces because it does all depend on your style profile. So once you sign up, it'll ask you like, do you like graphic shirts? Do you like kind of like laid back? Do you like athletic? And so basically the items that I get are based on my style profile. So I like a little bit of kind of a laid back chill, but also an athletic vibe, man. But yeah, definitely like these jeans, man. I gotta put these things on. And right here, I was able to put the jeans on along with the hoodie. So I was just basically got a full outfit right here, man. We got the top, we got the bottom. Jeans looking good, you feel me? Threw it on with those lost and found Jordan 1s. Definitely a vibe when it comes to the J's. The hoodie looks good. It's kind of like that Chicago theme, so it definitely works out perfect together. Look at the hat, man. Look at that brim. That is a J-Tips joint right there, man. We coming with the accessories, which really make the outfit stand out even more, man. But I like this combination, and I can't wait to rock it. And last but definitely not least, we do have, here we go, looks like a jacket. We have a jacket right here. This is almost like a puffy style jacket from Cookies. Oh yeah, Cookies is one of those brands where like, if you know, you know. But yeah, let's go ahead and unzip this. And this is perfect for the weather. Like I said, it's been raining. It's been going crazy, man. So another jacket to add to the mix is definitely a plus. And we got some good patchwork right here on that side, right there on that left arm. We got some good Cookies patches right here. And it almost reminds me of like a rescue style jacket because you got that cross in the front. You know, that's kind of like that medical type of design right there. But yeah, it looks good, man. Got the insides on this joint. I already know a jacket like this gonna run you at least probably about $100 by itself, man. So the box already paid for itself. On this arm, we got some more Cookies patches right there. And on the back, let's see if we got any. We got kind of like a design on the underarm portion right here that does blend. It's kind of like a shiny black, but I definitely am a fan of that, man. Got a couple different textures right here. We got some mesh on that jacket pocket, and we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff on. Man, this jacket is even nicer on body than I thought, man. Just look at the fit. It has that nice pocket up top. You get 2 pockets on the top, 2 on the bottom. You get the nice patches all around both sleeves, man. And there is a bungee, so if you do zip it all the way up, the bottom will get a little bit tighter around the waist as well. But I mean, you get all the pockets that you need. It's black, it's red, it looks clean. You can wear this at night. You can wear it when it's just a little chilly, but definitely something that I am glad to have. And remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.